We're going to do a couple more science videos. Subscribe.
Thumbs up, comment what you think about the volcano experiment.
Go, dude! And also still playing with the volcano stuff.
Uh-oh. Troublemaker.
Hi kids, this is the underwater volcano. And we're going to do it now.
Alright.
Make sure to like this video.
Alright, here we go, guys.
Okay,
Also, leave that alone.
What we need first, Mom?
Okay, it says what you need. Citric acid, baking soda, red cabbage powder, vegetable oil, test tube, medium plastic tube, small stir stick, test tube stand. Okay. And then we also need water, plate or to catch, and drinking water. Okay, let me go get a plate.
Let me get...
So first step is filling the test tube with
Water.
1/3 water.
Then now, what's next?
Oh, that's too much. That's like half.
Put it back in. Okay, now what's that?
1/3. That's like a quarter. Let's put a little bit more. That's good enough. Okay. It says add 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder and gently stir until water is blue.
Okay.
So we need a small scoop of this cabbage powder.
I will do it this time.
Hold the bag and get it. Put it in there. Where's the stir? Come on, baby.
Let me just...
1 small scoop.
Like this?
Yeah. Put it in there.
And
Shake it. And now stir.
Okay, I will do it.
Stir. Keep stirring until it's blue.
My turn. Okay, it's already blue.
Okay. Elsa, come here. You're going to do this part.
Oh, yeah. Elsa, you can't wait? I wish I could do that part.
Yeah, but she needs to participate too, right?
Okay. Okay, well, how many we need for
Okay,
Elsa?
Elsa. You need to put this all the way to right here, okay? Get it?
How?
Get it? And pour it in. You
Pour
can do it.
No.
Just pour it in.
I know how.
Okay, let Mikey do it. He'll teach you, see? See?
Look.
Let Mikey do it and then you do the rest, okay?
Look, like this.
Keep going. Okay.
No,
Carefully.
not a lot.
All the way to the top.
All the way to the top.
You want Mikey to do it or you're going to do it? Just do it slowly. You can do it.
You want me to do it?
Together, see?
Oh.
Oh, wow. Come on. Gotta go all the way up to the lip.
That's
Okay,
enough.
that's enough. Yeah.
Now we need to stir it.
Check that out. No, it doesn't say to stir. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Get down,
Mom.
Elsa, get down. Look at it.
It looks cool, kids.
Doesn't it? So it looks like it doesn't mix together. Only the middle part has like
Wait,
bubbles.
Kids, Elsa got those.
Okay, look at that.
Yeah, it looks
Wow.
really cool. It smells weird.
It's vegetable oil. Alright, Elsa, look what you did. Isn't that cool? Alright, so it says, set the test tube in the test tube stand and get ready for action.
No, that's not.
Measure 1 medium scoop of citric acid.
You
I
mean
wonder
this?
if we need to put this, let's put this here. The acid. This one.
Okay.
So you're the scoop guy, here. Get 1 medium one.
Oh, just...
It's already open, you just have to, here, hold this.
Oh. Elsa, can you get it? It's stuck.
Okay, it says,
1.
set the tube in the test tube stand.
I got
Measure
it.
1 cup scoop of citric acid. Count
I
down
got
to
it.
the... Wait. Okay, so as soon as you put it in, we're going to count 3, 2, 1, because it's going to jump up. Okay, drop it in. 3, 2, 1, blast off. There it's going, you see that?
Yeah. How long is it going to take it?
I'm not sure.
Maybe
It's going slowly, but it's going.
I think some gonna. We just put some in.
So it's changing colors. You see how it's turning purple now?
Uh-huh.
So it was blue.
Okay, I'm gonna see.
Okay, so after the bubbles stop, we can do it again. Let me just take. Oh, look, and the vegetable oil.
What?
Oh no, it's just purple. Let's go ahead and put another scoop.
Okay.
Another scoop of citric acid.
What is this?
This. Where's the scoop?
Oh, it's in there. It's in there, so.
It's almost pink now.
Oh.
Come on, kid.
Okay, let me do it.
Yeah.
Your hands are purple, Mom.
I know.
One more?
Yep, put it in.
Cheat.
Alright, it's going down. There it goes.
Here you go. It's going up.
It's a very light reaction. You can see the bubbles.
Yeah, that's cool. When we put some more, that will go all the way up to the sky. Let's put some out.
Let's put a little bit more.
Okay, I will do the scooping.
Let's see if it's...
I got you a car. Because I'm the scooping master.
Put one more.
I got you a car.
Come on, put one more.
The hugest one. I got you a
Yeah,
car
I thought there was going to be more
Then
eruption, but it's pretty lame.
I got a car. Then I got a car.
Come on, faster.
Okay, you like this?
Yeah, let's see.
Oh, it's good. Oh, it's rising up.
Yeah, but nothing crazy. It looks like it stays right there.
Let me try to put some more. Let me try. Oh, this one's a lot. Let me try to put some more. Because, let's see. Oh, this one more.
No more, okay?
Okay.
Well, I guess that's it. Well, it's an underwater volcano, so I guess that's what's supposed to happen. If you look at videos of volcanoes underwater, you see bubbles.
Oh, I can see some bubbles coming up now.
That's pretty cool. What'd you think about this one?
No, not so good.
No? What about you, Elsa? Did you like this one? You liked it? No? Why? It's too slow, huh?
Yeah.
Like, it was cool. It color changed, but then after that, nothing happened. Shake it a little bit.
Okay. Oh, it looks like it's turning pink. That's really cool.
Yeah. And then the oil, you're gonna drop it.
And when you put it back, it turns back to purple.
Yeah. Okay, so let's say bye to your subscribers and until next video.
See you next time in this science video.